DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. Takeoff and landing from a unique perspective. Got that coming up next. Now, I've been enjoying my DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 and DJI Osmo Action since I've purchased them. Can't say enough about the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0, its capabilities, and the stellar video it shoots. The DJI Osmo Action has lived up to its billing, and it's found my way outside every time I shoot a drone video. Now, I've always enjoyed the perspective of drones taking off and landing with a gimbal pointed downward. In this video, I've done something different to give you a unique perspective that I haven't seen before. Did I mount the Osmo Action on the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0? Well, no. What I did was place the Osmo Action on its back on the landing pad and record both takeoff and landing. Let's take a look. Hey, we're going to do something a little different here today. I got the Osmo Action underneath the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0, and we're going to record takeoff and landing from a very unique perspective. So let's give this a shot. Okay, everything's okay. We're ready to go. Record. Let's do auto takeoff, precision takeoff. About 100 feet. Let's take it out over the lake just a little bit here. Uh, 500 feet. We're just about there. Let's go ahead and do a return to home. Go home. It's going to be very interesting to see the view from the Osmo Action, how this looks. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the pitch of the gimbal when we get overhead. Almost there. And we're locating the landing zone. Trying the correct landing position. It's a little windy up there. And it was going to be off here, so let's go ahead and adjust it just a little bit. So we had a successful landing with the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 testing the DJI Osmo Action takeoff and landing here. About 100 feet. Let's take it out over the lake just a little bit here. Windy up there. Question of the day: what did you think of this perspective? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching.